Hey y'all, it's Fitness Saturday, Workout Saturday. So happy Saturday. If you're new here, this is still Assist Reviews and Lifestyle. On here, I talk about product reviews, lifestyle reviews, fitness reviews, and every other thing in between. For this workout, all you need is workout mat and a resistance band. So let's warm up and get ready. Oh, for resistance band, don't forget your gloves. I'm gonna grab mine just now. So let's bookie. You own your lifestyle. Look after yourself because your lifestyle matters a lot. Yeah, resistance band. What I'm using is 25 kg resistance band. You can use less or you can use even more. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. So position yourself, spread your leg, make sure you have balance, and then stretch. This is resistance band stretch. This works for your muscle and for your strengthening your hand muscle. Okay, so we are doing this 10 times. Well done you. Next one is weightlifting with this same resistance band. Watch how I'm doing it. Pull it up, stretch. Be careful, make sure you're well balanced. Stay like that. It's gonna be heavy. The higher you go, the heavier it is. Stay like that and count 1 to 10 and bring it down. Well done you. Get ready because we are gonna do it one more time. Okay, ready? Just rest. Okay, let's go. And then count to 10 again. Well done you. One more time, the last time. Let's go. Get ready. Count to 10 again. 1 to 10. And that's it. You have worked your arm, giving it, strength. Well done. You've done this one. Now let's go to another level. And this time, this particular pull is pulling the resistance band. It is going to be working the back Christian mother hand, the back where the flesh drops down. That's where it works. So keep pulling it 10 times. 10. Oh, this is really tough. You will feel it under your arms. You will feel it. So stretch out and let's go again. Position. Let's go. 1, 2. Pull it. 3. Make sure you're pulling it. 4, 5, 6. If you're pulling it, you will feel it. 7, 10. Well done. I'm sure you are feeling it right now. Like you will feel it right there at the Christian mother hand area. So turn your back. Let's pull it. This one is really difficult. You will feel it even more pulling it from the back. Look at the way I am positioning my hand. It is really important because if not, you will injure yourself at the ankle. So position your hand very well to be able to pull. See the way I spread my leg to gain balance, and then you 4. You can see the tension all over my upper back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sure you're feeling it right now. 10. Well done, you. Woo. 11, 12. Woohoo! Keep going. 13. Well done, you. 14. You will feel it everywhere. 15. Is it 15? 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Woo! Well done, you. I'm sure you are feeling it. That's good. Stretch out your arms. You did well. You will really feel it at the Christian mother hand. It firms up everything. Trust me, it firms up everything. It is very, very good. So now we are done with the resistance band and for the pulling. And I'm now gonna, balance everything by stretching it with my leg, back leg, and everything. I don't know what to call this stretch, but it also works the muscles, okay, and also stretches the leg at the same time. So it helps you to create balance. Make sure you align yourself very well. So I'm sure you see, just take a look at how I position my leg. Look at it. Back leg well stretched out and leg, the front one up, and then pull. 1, 2, 3. Maintain your balance. 4. You will feel it. 5. You will feel it on both legs. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you are feeling it on your arms and on your front leg, okay? So let's alternate the leg and do the next leg. This is really powerful because it works the leg and the arm at the same time, creating a balance, okay? Just look how I put the other foot way back. Put the other foot way back. I was a little bit confused how I put it. Yes, now I'm back. I did it right now. Yeah, correct. So you see the leg in front is slightly tilted up. I was standing with my toes and then I'm pulling. 2, 3, 4. Make sure 5. Make sure you're creating the resistance with the way you're holding the band. It's painful. 7. You will feel it. 8. I am feeling it in the front leg. 9. Woo. 10. Amazing. Wow. Well done, you. I'm sure you're feeling it. Just kick it out, stretch it out. Stretch it out. Let's go to something else.
Push up.
For push up, set the mat, position yourself in a very comfortable way. So this is the way I position myself for my own push up, but I know people do differently. So this is a convenient way for me to do push up. Are you ready? Well positioned, balanced. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done, you. Woo-hoo. You did it. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Like, the timer I set has passed, but I kept going. Like, sometimes I overdo my timer, but it's good. It's good. So let's do the next one that will focus on the upper back. Okay. This is kind of stretching, but it focuses on the upper back because I have upper back pain, which is healing. All these are helping the back to heal. So here, relax, take a deep breath in, count to 10. A deep breath in and out, then count to 10, and then relax it. And get ready for another one. This is just about stretching the body. That's it. And then getting ready for the next move. So the next move is we're going to focus on the leg. Okay? So position yourself. I don't have enough space, but I had to do what I have to do. So stretch the leg. So when you spread the leg like this, you are stretching the muscles of the leg. The muscle at the back of the knee. That's what you are stretching. So keep it like that, count to 10, and do it again. Make sure you stretch it as long as you can. The more you do it, the more the leg stretches. Keep it straight so that you will feel it at the back of the knee. Okay, then do it again. Each stay, count to 10, and then release. That's it. We are done with this. I have no name for this. I will call it maybe my plank. Just watch closely. It's easy. Just lift your leg. It focuses on the back. So this is so good because it focuses directly at the part of the back that really aches for me. And it is really painful as I am staying like this. But the main point is that it is directly at the point where I was feeling the pain. So this is why it is really, really effective if you are having back pain. Try this. It is painful, like I said, really, really painful, but the more you do it, the more you get comfortable with it and release the aches at the back. But it is really, really, really painful. It will take you days before you'll be able to get comfortable with it. If the back pain is more, sometimes it can be more than days. Alternatively, you don't have to do it every day. You can try it once, then wait, and then try it again, then wait, because it is really painful. Yeah, focus on it, stretch the back as long as you can. I think I was counting, but because I was talking, I didn't know what I was counting. Okay. Anyway, just hold it as much as you can. Feel comfortable with it. Enjoy it. And that's it. Well done, you. Woo-hoo. So I'm going to focus now, relax, and do some breath work. And basically, yeah, this is just normal breath work that helps you to relax the mind. Mindfulness breath work I will also use my stomach to breathe. These are powerful breath work that I'm doing here. Each position you stay, count to 10, and then release. So this one also focuses on the back as well. So just put it like that. Let your 2 elbows be on the floor and relax. Take a deep breath in, count, relax. Don't stretch it. At first, it's going to be difficult to bend like this, but the more you try it, the better it gets. Also, it is going to be painful at the upper back because that's where I am targeting. If you are not having upper back pain, this is not going to be painful. But because I was having upper back pain, it is painful. So relax with it and you will get comfortable with it. Don't stress yourself because if you push it too much, you will feel pain on your stomach. So Do it with ease. Mindfulness. So this is part of workout. So I have given you muscle strengthening, giving you weightlifting, giving you breath workout all in one. And I have also given you stretch. Like, this is part of workout, great workout that I am giving you in one video. This is beautiful. What a happy Saturday. Fitness Saturday. You are getting everything. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Now I am doing breath work with my stomach. Breathe in, count to 3, release it. Breath work. It relaxes you from inside out. See, today's exercise is like the bomb. There's no better lifestyle that you can get anywhere. Like, this is the one channel that gives you all in all lifestyle package: workout, product reviews, lifestyle reviews, fitness reviews, everything that will help you live the most authentic lifestyle. And what else? Like, bring in more people, bring them in here. Remember, focus, mindfulness. Yes, that's it, babe. We done here.
Okay, so I stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew.
And then get ready to move it to the side. Yeah. Then count to 10 again. So
These
10 on this
stretch
side, stay like this
to
and count
release
10. And then you move it to
the whole body, release
left
it.
side.
This is just what it is.
Great. Left side. Count to 10 again. Relax while you are doing it so that you will feel the pain at the back of your knee and on your spine. All the stretch, you will feel it on your spine and at the back of your knee. Yeah, those muscles, that's where it will affect. And that's it. So take a deep breath in, count to 10, taking a deep breath in and out to relax. Bring it down. Now, you can do with me this flexible move. There is nothing to it. I was just flexing because I am actually getting to the end of the workout. So I am just flexing, having fun with the flexibility of my body move. Like, I was meant to do this workout for 10 minutes. I ended up doing almost 20 minutes. It is what it is for me. Most times I will set alarm and then I will get intoxicated in the workout because it is my own medicine for mental health. There is nothing that works greater than this for me. Once again, happy Saturday. If you enjoyed today's workout, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you to all of you that joined the channel newly. I really appreciate you. So this is a master class of workout that I have given you. Now let's go make breakfast at the kitchen.
Making pancakes with pumpkin yogurt. This is the ingredients we're gonna use. Pumpkin yogurt. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of pig milk to it, vanilla extract, plain flour, baking powder, measuring cup, light brown sugar, salt, and butter. Be I'm using pink salt. You can use any salt, but this is what I have now, so I'm using a little bit of it. Just 2.5 of this small teaspoon. Just 1 spoon. I changed my mind. I decide to add it here. This is gonna be different, yeah. You got. This is gonna be sour. Oh my God. So I'm gonna be using 2 of these. The guys looking. Madagascar vanilla extract. This is just to give it flavor. Tablespoon. Just add 1 tablespoon of this. Yeah. This inside it. We begin to mix and all together. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little water. I hope I didn't put too much. Okay, let's stay again. Don't fuck up on us. So this is the consistency. It is not watery and it is not thick, so it is just in between. This is the best consistency for pancakes. So fire heat down on the head. I'm gonna add middle scoop of pancake in the middle, and I allow it to just spread by itself. Come add a little more. I changed the stove position and I flipped it. So this one is done. So I believe it's done. You just stay here. Don't spread like crazy, right? Just stay right there. We changed it in a big stove. You see, it's cooking quite quickly on the bigger stove. Flip, flip, flip. Don't judge the way I flip. I'm not a celebrity chef. I couldn't wait. I'm already eating. Look, see, so fluffy, and it really tastes so good. This is so awesome. Now I can confidently tell you, just try what I did. It's good. I don't like sweet, so it is perfect. A celebrity chef needs to be here to teach me. A cup of tea and top it up with honey. But now it's gonna be with honey.
There we go. High protein breakfast. Ooh la la, that's the definition of drip drip, baby. Now let's feast on it. Like, I will tell you, this is not too sweet because the tea is not sweet at all. The honey is just the sweet thing. Yummy. Try it.